Hello there. Today we're going to talk about a word that sounds super big and a little scary calculus. But don't worry, it's actually just a way of understanding how things change around us every single moment. Imagine you have a toy car. When you push it, it starts moving across the floor. Sometimes it goes fast, sometimes it goes slow, and then sometimes it stops. Calculus is like a smart tool that helps us understand exactly how and why those changes in speed happen. Now think about a playground slide. When you stand at the top, you start slow. But as you slide down, you go faster and faster. Calculus helps us describe that getting faster in a very careful way, like taking a close-up picture of every tiny moment. One of the main ideas in calculus is called a derivative. That's just a fancy word for asking, how fast is something changing right now? Not the average, not the whole story, just this exact moment. Like if you're running, it tells your speed at this second. The other big idea is called an integral. That one is about adding tiny pieces together. Imagine filling a jar with water drops. One drop is small, but many drops together fill the whole jar. An integral helps us find the total from all those tiny pieces. So, calculus has two super ideas. One is watching change happen moment by moment, derivatives, and the other is adding tiny things to make a big whole, integrals. Let's make it more fun. In video games, when characters jump, run, or fall smoothly, calculus is working behind the scenes. Without it, everything would look jumpy and weird. Or think about the weather. When scientists study how temperature changes from morning to night, they use calculus to understand those tiny changes step by step. Even a rolling ball, a growing plant, or a speeding bike can be described using calculus. It's always there whenever something is changing. And the funny part? You already think a little like calculus when you notice things getting faster, slower, bigger, or smaller. And that's it. Calculus isn't something to fear. It's just a clever way to understand how everything moves and changes every day. Thanks for watching.